English to Pashto sentences. Wear your face mask. د خپل مخ ماسک ولګوه. Wear your face mask. Avoid going to crowded place. ګڼې واله ځایونو ته مه ځئ. Avoid going to crowded place. Wash your hand again and again. په مخ لاسونه انځئ. Wash your hand again and again. My car broke down. زما موټر خراب شو. My car broke down. My car ran out of petrol. زما په موټر کې پټرول ختم شو. My car ran out of petrol. He is riding a bicycle. هغه سایکل چلی. He is riding a bicycle. My bicycle got punctured. زما سایکل پنچر شو. My bicycle got punctured. She snatched my love from me. هغې زمانه زما مینه واغسته. She snatched my love from me. You have the right on me. ستا په ما حق دی. You have the right on me. You have the right on me from today. د نن نه ستا په ما حق دی. You have the right on me from today. Tell him to go outside from here. هغه ته ووایه چې د دې ځای نه بهر ته وځي. Tell him to go outside from here. This is my room. دا زما کمره ده. This is my room. I want to sleep. زه اوده کېده غواړم. I want to sleep. This was your room. دا ستا کمره وه. This was your room. Now it is my room. وس دا زما کمره ده. Now it is my room. You go and sleep in the hall. ته لاړ شه او په حال کې اوده شه. You go and sleep in the hall. You will have to go out from here. تاله به د دې ځای نه وتلي. You will have to go out from here. Leave me. پرېږدمه. Leave me. Go out from here with your gloomy face. د خپل منحوس شکل سره د دې ځای نه ووځه. Go out from here with your gloomy face. You cannot do this to me. ته زما سره داسې نشي کولی. You cannot do this to me. She will go out from here, not me. هغه به د دې ځای نه بهر ته وځي، زه نه. She will go out from here, not me. I will never go out from here. زه به هیڅ چرې د دې ځای نه نه ځم. I will never go out from here. It is too hot today. نن ډېره ګرمي ده. It is too hot today. Get the AC installed. AC د کره ولګوه. Get the AC installed. Mango season is about to end. د امونو موسم ختمېدو واله دی. Mango season is about to end. Mango season is going to start. د ام موسم شروع کېدو واله دی. Mango season is going to start. Stay home, stay safe. کور اوسه، محفوظ اوسه. Stay home, stay safe. It is all up to us only. دا ټول صرف مونږ باندې ده. It is all up to us only. یعنی دا خبره صرف په مونږ پورې منحصر ده. Only we can save our country. صرف مونږ خپل ملک بچ کولی شو. Only we can save our country. She doesn't love you. هغه تا سره مینه نه کوي. She doesn't love you. This cannot be true. دا رښتیا نشي کېدی. This cannot be true. Why are you so sad? ته دومره خفا ولې؟ Why are you so sad? Why are you looking so sad? ته دومره خفا ولې ښکارې؟ Why are you looking so sad? I was going to say something. زه څه ویلو واله وم. I was going to say something. What was you going to say? ته څه ویلو واله وې؟ What was you going to say? I was going to say something but I forgot. زه څه ویلو واله وم خو هیر مې شو. I was going to say something but I forgot. Try to remember. د یادولو کوشش وکا. Try to remember. Do you like your in-laws? آیا ستا خپل خرګنۍ خوښه ده؟ Do you like your in-laws? You have been afflicted by the evil eye. ته د نظره شوی یې. You have been afflicted by the evil eye. I will go to any length. زبا سخت پورې هم لاړ شم. I will go to any length. Where did your honor go? څه شو ستا غیرت؟ Where did your honor go? He did not even say goodbye. ته دې پورې چې هغه خدای پامان ونه وي. He did not even say goodbye. I just got home myself. زه خو په خپله وس کور ته راغلم. I just got home myself. Police got the shops closed. پولیس پې دوکانونه بند کړو. Police got the shops closed. Why are you displeased with me? ته زمانه ولې خفه یې؟ Why are you displeased with me? Only thanks would not be enough. صرف په مننه کار نه کیږي. Only thanks would not be enough. مننه یعنی شکریه. The bread is half baked. ډوډۍ نیمه پخه ده. The bread is half baked. I got it under control. ما دا سنبال کو. I got it under control. یعنی ما دا کنټرول کو. I don't want any clarification. زما څه صفائی نه ده پکار. I don't want any clarification. Your hands are clammy. ستا لاسونه جاولنک دي. Your hands are clammy. یعنی ستا په لاسونو پورې جاوله ده. Something important came up. څه ضروري کار مخې راغلی و. Something important came up. I want to live a life of respect. زه د عزت ژوند تیرول غواړم. I want to live a life of respect. It is not that simple. دا دومره آسان نه دی. It is not that simple. Are you bribing me? ته مال رشوت راکای کو. Are you bribing me? Are you trying to bribe me? ته مال د رشوت راکولو کوشش کای کو. Are you trying to bribe me? I don't want to hear any more lie. زه اوس نور دروغ اوریدل نه غواړم. I don't want to hear any more lie. Look into my eyes. زما سترګو کې وګوره. Look into my eyes. Your eyes are red. ستا سترګې سرې دي. Your eyes are red. Take a look at this. په دې یو نظر واچوه. Take a look at this. یعنی دې ته یو نظر وګوره. I feel exactly the same way. ما ته هم ټیک دغسې محسوسیږي. I feel exactly the same way. You look just like your father. ته بالکل د خپل پلار په شانتي ښکاري. You look just like your father. I made a huge mistake. ما ډیره غټه غلطي وکړه. I made a huge mistake. Don't get me wrong. ما غلط مه ګڼه. Don't get me wrong. Take care of your mother. د خپلې مور خیال ساته. Take care of your mother. Everyone makes mistake. د ټولو نه غلطي کیږي. Everyone makes mistake. I didn't mean to offend you. زما مطلب تا خفه کول نه و. I didn't mean to offend you. The landlord has put the rent up again. مالک مکان بیا کرایه زیاته کړه. The landlord has put the rent up again. Don't curse. خیرې مه کوه. Don't curse. Same thing daily. روزانه یو شان خبره. Same thing daily. Don't speak ill of others. د نورو خلقو بد مه وایه. Don't speak ill of others. Give him pillow. هغه له بالښت ورکه. Give him pillow. These are happy tears. دا د خوشحالۍ اوښکې دي. These are happy tears. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.